If you live in the Seattle area, chances are you've heard about a local place called Macrina Bakery. With 5 locations around the west side of the state, it sure would be a shame to miss all the sweet treats that are lovingly crafted to bring fresh Washington ingredients to anyone with a sweet tooth.
Like, you walk in and everything looks good, like trying to decide. You're just like, oh, maybe I'll just have one of each.
They just have very fresh food. It's really a nice place to stop by and a really fun neighborhood.
And it was very good. Highly recommend.
You know, I think that bakeries are an affordable luxury. Everyone needs a treat.
Leslie Mackie is the founder of Macrina Bakery. Over nearly 30 years, she and her team have worked hard to make incredible pastries, bread, and baked goods.
We started in Belltown in 1993. I wanted something a little bit smaller scale. And so then I opened Macrina, you know, thinking like, oh, I can take a month off a year and this is gonna be a part of my life, not my entire life. And little did I know.
No, it's just kind of a really nice, calm, tranquil place.
Upscale, modern feeling. It's open, but it still is welcoming.
It's just nice place to grab a coffee and something sweet to eat.
Don't miss later in the show when Leslie and I make a special apple and cherry pie.
I kind of have a rule of thumb. I always cut it right there to that finger joint. It's a rule of thumb. It is but-um-bump.